Finding a videographer can be daunting at times, but it doesn't have to be. In this video, I'm going to go over what you should consider when choosing a videographer for your special day. Hey, what's up? It's Keyshawn with Connect Media, and the first thing I want to talk about is just making sure that you have a clear idea of what kind of videographer that you're looking for. You could be looking for a more traditional videographer or a modern style videographer, or maybe a creative. It could be different types of styles that you may want. So it's very critical that you go and look at different types of videographers and look at their style of work, how they edit their own videos. That's just very important. Our editing style plays a big role on how we actually shoot throughout the day too. So just take that in consideration about their editing style. And read their reviews and also get recommendations from friends and family. They may already dealt with a videographer that they've seen at a wedding or maybe had at their own wedding. So definitely using a friend or family and getting their own word on it, it definitely helps out as well. They should have some type of reviews somewhere. If you don't, you're a videographer, you should have reviews. It's so simple to do. Just make sure you just, after working with somebody, just get a review, just ask them. It helps you in the long run. But definitely read their reviews and get recommendations from friends and family. A big thing as well is to check their portfolio, because once you check their portfolio and you're not confident in them to make the type of film that you want, that's probably not your videographer. So make sure you watch their portfolio. Look at different types of videos that they make. Even ask for certain types, if they have different type of packages. If they have a package where they only shoot half a day or full day, or they include a rehearsal dinner or whatever it may be, ask for each of those videos, because you never know, they can do a lot more than you thought they can. Just because you watch one video doesn't mean that's the only thing they can do. They could probably do a lot more. They may be too slow for your liking, or they may be too fast. There's a lot of different videographers where they edit real fast, and a lot of them like to slow it down. So make sure when you're looking at the portfolio, just kind of break it down. Like, okay, I really like that. It's very romantic. It told a good story. It captured audio very well. It showed all the detail shots, from the nature to the decor to the venue. He really showed it. They really showed it all. So make sure you really, really take time to look at each video that they have on their portfolio. A bonus tip, I gotta talk about price, so I have to. I've seen a lot of brides where they focus solely on the price, but not the quality of the film. Probably gonna get bit in the foot when you go with somebody that's cheaper, that don't have the right quality. Because it boils down to a lot of it. If they don't have a certain amount of equipment to film what you envision, you're gonna be upset. Of course, if you can afford one that can produce the vision that you had, go with that one. Do not risk that going cheaper is better. Do not. It's one of the biggest regrets that I've seen brides made, where they either went too cheap on the videographer or simply did not get a videographer. Because like having a videographer, they capture all the emotions, they capture all the decor, they capture the family reaction. When you go back and watch the video, your videographer that shot for you, I promise you will not regret. I haven't had any bride that told me that I wish I never booked you. If this video helped you in any kind of way, if you like this kind of content, like and subscribe for me. I like for you to follow me on this journey, and I got more videos coming. With that being said, since you booked your videographer, I know you still probably got some planning to do, right? Click the video on the screen to find out some tips on how to plan a stress-free wedding. I can't wait to see you over there. Comment if you have found your videographer, or you still in search of a videographer, and one thing that you learned about booking your videographer. And thank you for watching. Talk to you later.